Klover is a real cash advance app, not a fake website or scam. But that does not mean every user will qualify for an advance or have the same experience using it. By the end of this video, you'll know whether Klover is legitimate, how the app works, and the situations where it may or may not be the right choice. The first question is simple. Is Klover legitimate? Yes. Klover is an established financial app that provides eligible users with cash advances and other financial features through its mobile application. You download it from the Apple App Store or Google Play, create an account, connect a supported bank account, and complete the verification process before using its services. The next question is whether you'll actually receive a cash advance. That depends on your eligibility, not just on installing the app. Klover reviews information such as your linked bank account, account activity, and other qualification requirements before determining whether an advance is available and how much you can access. Two people signing up on the same day can receive completely different results. Another thing to understand is that Klover relies on account verification. If your bank cannot be linked successfully, your direct deposit is not recognized, or your account information cannot be verified, some features may stay unavailable until those issues are resolved. People sometimes mistake these eligibility checks for the app being fake, but they're different issues. A legitimate financial app can still decline an application or limit available features based on its internal review process. Before requesting an advance, read the app's current pricing, optional services, repayment terms, and membership details inside your account. Understanding those details before borrowing helps prevent surprises later. If something is unclear, review the information in the app or contact Klover support before accepting an advance. You should also keep the app updated. New releases often include bug fixes and improvements that can resolve login problems, bank connection issues, or other technical errors affecting your account. If you're researching Klover, don't rely on a single review. Read recent user feedback across multiple platforms to understand both positive experiences and common complaints. That gives you a more balanced picture than any single rating or comment. The bottom line is straightforward. Klover is a legitimate cash advance app, but approval is not guaranteed, and your experience depends on meeting its eligibility requirements and keeping your account information current. Your next step is to review Klover's current requirements before applying so you know exactly what to expect. If this video helped, like it, subscribe, and check out our other Klover guides for more tips and troubleshooting.